Hey friends, welcome to Code Explorer. Today we are going to see a question validate stack sequences, which is a problem of the day of LEED Code 13 for 2023. And yes, so let's see a question. So we have given two array pushed and popped. So these are basically operations performed in a stack. We have to say that can these operations uh, that like these operations are validate or not. So let's see the example. So we have given a pushed array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if we push 1 in a stack, then we push 2 in a stack. Okay. Then we push 3 in a stack. Okay. Then we push 4 in a stack. Okay. Then we pop 4. Okay. So the pop, the first element of the pop array is what? 4. We pop 4. And again we push a 5. Okay. Then we pop 5. Okay. So 5 is there in pop. Then we pop this 3. 3 is there. Then we pop this 2. And then we pop this 1. Okay. So this is a validate. Okay. We can do these operations. Okay. Now let's see this example. Okay, we pushed 1, then we push 2, then we push 3, then we push 4. Okay, so what is the first element of popped array is what? 4. Okay, so we pop this 4. Okay, we pop this 4 and then we push what? 5. Then we push 5. Okay, now then we push 5. Then we what we do? We pop 3. Okay, so 1 minute. We push 4 and we pop 4. Okay, we pop 4. Now what is the top of the stack? 3 is at the top of the stack. And what is the element after 4 in popped array is what? 3. Then we what? Pop 3. Okay, so now 4 and 3 are in what? Popped array. Okay, then we push 5. Okay, I hope you are not getting confused. Okay, we popped 4 and 3. Then we push what? 5. Okay, then we pop 5. Okay, then we pop 5. So 5 is here. Then what is here? 1 is here. But is it possible to pop 1 before 2? No, we cannot pop 1 before 2. So this is what? Invalid. This is what? Invalid. Okay, so we have to solve this question. Okay, so let's understand the logic. Okay, yes. So firstly, we'll declare a stack. Okay, and we pushed element in a stack of this pushed array. Okay, whenever the element we have pushed in an array which is on the top, whenever the top element of the stack is equals to popped element, then we'll what? Pop that element. Okay, we'll do that. And when the stack is empty, we'll say that is validate operations. Okay, and when the stack is not empty, there are some elements left in a stack, then we'll say what? Stack is the operations are what? Not valid. Okay, so let's try run the question. Okay. Okay, so for int I is equals to 0 and j is also equals to 0, so I is for what? Pushed array and j is for what? Popped array. And we are doing I plus plus. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll push the ith element of this pushed array in stack. What is it? 1, so we'll push 1. Okay, so now we'll check that is that top element present in the stack is equals to the popped of j. J is what? 0. So is it equals to 4? No, it is not equals to 4. So we'll again we'll again iterate for I is equals to what? 2. Sorry, I is equals to what? 1. So now we'll pushed off 1, that is what? 2 in the stack. Okay. Again, it is not equals to the popped of j. Okay. Then again, for I is equals to 2, we'll push this 3 in stack. Again, it is not equals to popped of j. Okay. Then again, for I is equals to what? 3, that is what? 4. We'll push that pushed off 3, that is what? 4 in stack. Okay. Now, is st dot top is equals to popped of j? Yes, it is equals to popped of j. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll pop this 4 and we'll do j plus plus. Okay. So j is what now? 1. J is what now? 1. J is what now? 1. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, again, we'll push what? 5. Because the top element is not equals to 5. So we'll push that 5. Now again, st dot top is what? 5, which is equals to popped of j, which is what? 5. So we'll pop this 5. Then again, st dot top is 3, which is also equals to popped of j. We have doing j plus plus here. Okay. So now j is what? 2. Okay. Which is equals to j of 2. So we'll pop this 3. Now st dot top is what? 2, which is equals to j of 3. So we'll pop this 2. Then st dot top is what? 1, which is equals to popped of 4. Okay. We'll pop this out. Okay. Now the stack is what? Empty. And finally, we'll check that if the stack size is what? 0, that is stack is empty, then we'll return what? True. And if the stack is not empty, then we'll return what? False. Okay. So this is the logic of the question, and the time complexity of the question is O of n plus n. Okay, because we are iterating the pushed array and popped array both, and the space complexity is what? O of n, because we have used what? Stack here. So let's see the code on LeetCode. Yes, so this is a code. We have declared a stack, then int n is equals to push dot size. The size of pushed array and popped array is what? Same. So we'll run a for loop for iterating on a pushed array. Okay. So for I is equals to 0, j is for what? Iterating this pop vector or array. Okay. So we'll first pushed off I in the stack. Then we'll check that the element present at the top of the stack, whether it is equals to popped of j. If it is equals to popped of j, we'll pop that element and we'll do j plus plus. Okay. So we'll do this. And lastly, if the size of stack is 0, then we'll return true. And if it is not 0, we'll return what? False. So yes, that's it for this question. Uh, just do the question by yourself first and then see the solution, and use pen and paper for solving this question. And yes, keep coding, and like, share and subscribe to channel, and comment below any other approach by which we can solve this question. Yes, thank you.